Hi, hello, this is Charlie Hussein. You're watching again another episode of Upstream Charlie. Nandito po tayo sa Tecno Concept Store dito sa SM Fairview. At mag-check po tayo ng mga updated prices ng kanilang mga mobile phones and other gadgets. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go and check out Tecno mobile phones. So, okay, sa harap natin ngayon yung POVA Curve 2 5G. Ito po yun. So, ang meron tayo dito yata yung melting silver. Kung hindi to melting silver, ito po yung Storm Titanium. But I think ito po yung melting silver. Yan, ganda po itsura. Kakaiba dun sa mga ibang phones. Check po natin yung ibang specs niya. So, yung design niya, yan, interstellar, spaceship design. May 144 Ultra Smooth AMOLED display. Mystic Purple available sa Mystic Purple, Melting Silver at saka Storm Titanium. Tapos 8,000 mAh battery, 45 watts supercharge. Yan po yun. Tapos MediaTek Dimensity 7100 5G processor. Lag-free for 6 years. May dual chipset siya. Signal Enhanced System, self-developed by G1 Signal chipset, tsaka SE1 Wi-Fi chipset. May 256 ROM siya, tsaka 24GB RAM, 12 plus 12. And meron siyang AI inside, pangalan si Ella. AI Studio 2.0, tsaka image extender at saka sharpness. Ayan. AI writing, live photo, flash snap, tapos free link, IP64, dust and water resistance, at meron siyang GPS, NFC wallet, saka infrared remote, at HiOS 16, katumbas ng Android 16. Touch transfer. Ayan. Yun weight niya 195 grams. Ito, yung camera niya 50 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, at saka 13 megapixel selfie camera. Ayan. So, ano na po siya, ayun. May Dolby Atmos speaker siya. Battery niya 8,000 mAh, 45 watts charging, IP64, and again comes in 3 colors. So ito po yung POVA Curve 2 5G. So check natin yung camera, interesado ako makita to. So check natin yung yung camera niya. So na-discover ko to, meron siyang variation, may 2K 30, 2K 30 frames per second, 1080p 60 frames, 1080 30 at saka 720 30. Ang pinaka gusto ko dito, pag magsi-selfie, pwede kang may 60 frames per second na goods na yan pang YouTube, Tapos ano pa, meron siyang mga features dito. Yan, pwedeng may stabilization, kaso lang pag nag-stabilization ka, you're stuck with 1080p 30 frames per second. Yun. Tapos pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng grid yung camera para magkaroon ka ng pag gumagawa ka ng composition. Tapos pag 60 frames per second, ayan. Pag photography naman, may AI cam. May AI cam siyang available. Tapos portrait. Tapos may AI GC portrait din siya. Ayan. AI cam, portrait, super night, and more. Ayan. Sa more naman niya, may SkyShot Pro, time-lapse, documents, scanning, dual video, pang-vlogging, slow motion, super macro, at saka ultra HD. Yung dual video, ayan yun. Pwede natin swap. Ayan. Ayan, pwede mo swap dito. Ayan, so swap mo doon. Pwede mo swap. Ayan. So available siya sa 1080p at saka 30 pag yung dual camera siya. Ayan. So pwede tayo mag-exit dito. Ayan. Super night meron din. Ayan. Tsaka portrait camera. Yan. Pag portrait, dapat pwede siyang blur sa likod. Yan, blur yung likod. Ayan, blur yung likod niya. Yan. Pag hindi blur yung likod, yan, kitang-kita niyo yung bakal dun, yung Tecno na signage. Ayan, malabo na. So, yan yun sa portrait niya. So, good siya, no? Pang social media. No? Pwede yung pang YouTube, pag gusto nyo. So, ang SRP niya, 16,999, 256 ROM, at saka 16 GB na RAM. Okay. So, maganda siya. Maganda. Okay, ang susunod naman natin yung Camon 50 Ultra 5G at saka Camon 50, no? So unahin natin yung Camon 50. Meron siyang super zoom, flash snap, 50 megapixel na Sony, 60-month na fluency, IP69, 68, 69, 69, 68 at saka IP69K. May 1.5K na AMOLED display, 144Hz. Ang SRP niya po is 13,999. No? Tapos 256 na ROM at saka 16GB na RAM. So ito po yung Camon 50. Ano sa harap natin? So anong color to? So meron siyang Tecno AI inside at saka IP69 rating, IP69K. So ganda itsura niya. No, 13,999 po yung SRP niya. Okay guys, by this time, nandito na kayo sa gitna ng video. You're in the middle of the video. And again, thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And also for those who are watching in Saudi and in Qatar, ex-Qatar po ako. And thank you very much for your comments as well. And for those who are watching in India, you're the second country that is watching the most of my videos here in Upsim Charlie. So thank you very much. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and check out the Tecno updated prices. And then this is the Camon 50 na tapos available in 6 colors. It's Camon 50 Tecno 16 MediaTek Helio G200, hanggang 4G lang siya. Tapos 1.5K 144Hz AMOLED display. Okay, yung front camera niya is 32 megapixel, rear camera niya 50 megapixel, tsaka wide angle niya is 8 megapixel. Ito po yung mga memory niya, variants. Tapos wireless siya, meron of course. And 6,500 mAh battery, 45 watts charging, dual speaker, Dolby Atmos. Yan. So, yan po yung Camon 50. Ito po yung titanium gray. Okay, ang next naman natin na variant, yung Camon 50 Ultra 5G. No, comes in 4 colors. Tapos check natin yung prices. Meron siyang 19,999, 256 ROM, 16GB with RAM. Meron naman 21,999, 256 ROM, 24GB na RAM. Tapos 25,999, 512 na ROM at saka 24GB na RAM. No? May MediaTek Dimensity siya, 7400, AMOLED display, 144Hz. Meron din 50 megapixel Sony at saka 50 megapixel na 100x super zoom telephoto, IP69K, IP69 at saka IP68. May super zoom, flash snap. Okay, yung mga flash snap po na technology nila, yung pag may mabilis pong na object kayong hinahabol like kotse or sa basketball court, yan, yung mga nagda-dunk shot at saka basta mabilis pong kilos, pag pinicturean nyo po using yung flash snap, wala po kayong makikitang blur. Okay, so ayun, nasa harap po natin, yan, Ultra 50 Ultra 5G. So yan, for further specs, check nyo na lang po yung description box below. Yan. Yan, Tecno Camon 50 Ultra. Okay, let's continue our price journey. Sa kaliwa ko naman, Spark 55G. Ang price naman niya 8,999 at saka 12,999. Itong nasa kaliwa is 128GB na ROM at saka 12GB na RAM. Itong 12,000 is 256GB na ROM at saka 24GB na RAM. May 50 megapixel flash snap, live photo, MediaTek Dimensity 64, 5G na po siya, 6,500 mAh na battery na 45 watt charging, 5G plus signal at saka military grade shock resistance certified. So ito po yung Smart 50G. Yan.
Sonic earbuds!
Spark 50G. Spark 50G.
Gusto mo ba ng ganito kumitis, naging phone, at ganito maganda ang design? This is our Boba Curve 5G na sa halagang 16,999 lang. At
For further specs, check nyo lang po yung description box below.
Kaya
Okay, meron tayong Tecno Spark 50. Meron tayong 7,499, 128GB ROM at saka 12GB na RAM. Tapos meron tayong 8,499, 256GB na ROM at saka 12GB na RAM. Then 7,000 mAh battery, 5-star. Hindi po siya 5G, no? So ito po yung Spark 50. Yung 50 megapixel na flash snap, 120 Hz na display and other stuff. So ito po yun. Ang ganda itsura. Spark 50 may 7,499 at saka 8,499. For further specs, check nyo lang po yung description box below. Ayan.
depende sa offer nito always. Eh, paano sa wala ko
Okay, ito naman yung entry level phone nila. Yung 4,999, 5,999. Ito po yung Spark Go 3. Spark Go 3, meron siyang 120 Hz display, IP64, AI flash, 13 megapixel AI camera, 5,000 mAh battery ng 15 watts fast charging with Tecno AI inside. May DTS. Comes in 3 colors: ink black, titanium gray, aurora purple, at saka flare white. Again, ito po yung price nila. Ito po yung mga memory nila: 64GB ROM, 8GB RAM sa 4,999, sa 5,999, 28 ROM at saka 8GB RAM. Ito po yung itsura ng Spark Go 3. Ayan. So ito po yung Spark Go 3. For more specs, check nyo lang po yung description box below. Yan. Tapos ito po yung flip phone. Hindi ko lang alam kung available pa to. Pero meron pa silang flip phone na Phantom V Flip 2. Check nyo na lang yung price sa below at saka yung kanyang specs. Yan. So available pa kanila mga flip phone. So basically that ends our show for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you on my next video.